welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I need to clean up this disaster of a house. I have really let my cleaning, my housekeeping slide. I've been up to my eyeballs in work, and I know that's not an excuse, but literally I've been in my basement all day, every day, living that Zoom life, and today I need to get my house in order because I'm only gonna be getting busier. So I want everything organized, so I have a list of things to do. So get up off that couch. If you want some cleaning motivation, clean along with me. We have a whole house clean today. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I would love it if you click that like, share, and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Are you getting all of your cleaning stuff ready? Wow.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme.
Honestly, way too many stuffies in her bed. Books, who knows what else. There's no room for her to sleep.
And I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
I'm in my laundry room, and this is a little bit of a hack for you guys that I started last year. I took this shoe organizer and I hung it over the back of my door, and this is where I keep all of my dishcloths, all of my tea towels and everything. It's out of my kitchen because I don't have that much storage in my kitchen, so it's out of my kitchen, and then it's here, it's organized, it's in my laundry room. When they're dirty, it's great. When they're clean, it's easy to put away. So little mom tip for you.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you.
Ava's been dying all day to mop like a big girl, so I told her she could. And then I'll have to go fix it.
But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out.
All right, guys, that is it for today's video. It felt so good to give this house a deep clean, because let me tell you, I've been avoiding it for a couple weeks. I've gotten into this rut. So now that it's clean, I'm gonna get back onto my weekly cleaning schedule. So that starts Mondays. I focus on bathrooms. So if you guys are interested in seeing my weekly cleaning schedule, I'm gonna pop my video up here and in the description down below. Now I need to focus on time management and the best use of my days and time, because I know I'm gonna be getting super busy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.